Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech. Today I will present you some unusual product that I think every house needs because this is something that saves lives, and by saving lives I mean saving clothes. For example, you bought your beautiful sweatshirt and you wore it a couple of times, but since it's winter you wear it with jacket, and you know when the jacket and the sweatshirt do like this with each other, there are these little balls from the fabric that looks very annoying and make the sweatshirt looks extremely ugly and like it's old and you look bad with it, obviously. And that's why this is our magic helper. It's called fabric shaver, and this one is Philips. You can get, there is many brands, of course, like you can find this is something very common. Philips very beautiful fabric shaver. I'll show it to you now. Let's open it. That happened to me exactly like this. I went in one store and I bought for Christmas for myself one white sweatshirt, and after 2 times of wearing it became very bad. And I also had pants. Now of course I will demonstrate you how to work with the shaver, and for this purpose I have my new pair of beautiful pants that were destroyed after a couple of times of wearing. I don't know what's happening with this type of cloth. And here it is. Take it out. Cute! Blue. Very easy to use. Here you can see the button. Ooh! How to use it. It has only 0 and 1. Here is the component that it's cutting. Here is the blade that cuts from these balls, and here is a container which is very easy to remove and throw, as you can see. It doesn't have much specification, it's just a fabric shaver, but it's something very useful for every house, as I said, because you need that in your life. Now I will demonstrate you how to use it. You can look the box here. Before and after, you can notice. It works with 2 AA batteries. And it comes here with 2 years warranty. Yeah, something that cheap with 2 years warranty. What more would you want from life? Here you can look at it nicely. It comes with the instructions. And this little brush that you use here to clean it. The instructions are on a couple of languages. Here is the model. Here is how to use it exactly. You can notice. Not like it's philosophy how to use it, but you should be careful, of course, not to put your fingers there. I think that's logical. Sometimes you should maintain it by removing the metal part. I will show you after I'm done with the cleaning. I will show you how. Put it nicely in the back. Here you open here, and then you can open that part also here. Here is the blade, you can notice it. Very nice. And here, this is like a protection. Basically what is happening exactly is this part, these small holes, they take the ball from the cloth, and this blade cuts it. But since I removed the protection, that's why I can't remove it. Guys, if in one video, if I don't just drop something, it won't be me. I hope that won't happen with my next videos, like my motherboard components, for example, because then I will kill myself, honestly. I can't put it. Okay, we did. Now where is our victim? Ta-da! You can notice nicely how this cloth is destroyed. Very perfectly, amazingly destroyed. You can notice it here. And by the way, they are almost brand new. Talk about quality. But that's it, when you wear it with blouse or something, it's inevitable to happen that way. Now I will show you nicely how I clean. We take our pants, we turn our machine and we start. You can hear that sound. Here I think it's the most damages are here, that's why I'll put it here mainly. Everything goes in the container, as you see. Here. You need very much patience for this and a bunch of free time, because as you see it doesn't happen for 5 minutes. Because sometimes you need to push it a little bit in order for the mechanism to eat the nasty balls. Fabric peels, they call them. That's some new cool name. As you see, I should push extremely much in that area in order to catch everything. And you should move in different directions. You can take it in any shop, I think they have it, in any big supermarket. It's cheap, like the prices are from $5 to maybe 10, 15. Oh, I almost cleaned that area. That's very annoying. I honestly don't want to buy more clothes. First you need to buy clothes, then you need to iron them, then you need to buy this to maintain them, and everything gets very expensive in one moment. Oh. Here also. And you can see there is difference if you see here compared to here where I clean. Of course you can do a little bit more here, but pretty much that is. You can see the difference here. Here everything that we cleaned is here. Look, they made it smart. It don't spill in your hand when you take out the container. Everything is here. And that's it. Very handy and useful machine. Good job, Philips. I'm happy with this product extremely much, except the fact that I have to do it for like 1 hour maybe for this pair of pants. But what can we do? When we have free time, we just do it. Or either we throw the pants, because nobody wants to see you with pants like this, right? Thank you guys for watching these videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and to hit the like button and wait for much more content.